Hi there, my name is David Traher, and I've been studying, writing books, and creating courses on the subject of personal finance for over 2 decades now. So I know a lot of people are worried about their retirement. Now, conventional wisdom tells us to start saving for retirement as early as possible. And while you should do that if you can, for many of us that's very difficult for one simple reason: it's expensive to live. In our early years, we're busy trying to get an education and then trying to find a job. Then in our late 20s, 30s, and maybe even 40s, we tend to do things like get married, buy a house, and have kids. And all of those things cost a lot of money. So for many of us, we procrastinate when it comes to saving for retirement. It's not because we're fiscally irresponsible, it's just because it's expensive to live these days. This course, and the book it is based on, is designed to give you hope, to show you that there is a lot you can do in 10 years or less to secure a comfortable retirement. All you have to do is play your cards right. I'll take you step by step through that process to show you that it is possible to build up a pretty significant retirement savings in 10 years or less. So let's get started, shall we?